Hello, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie, and today I'm going to show you how to freshen up an old picture frame. So the springtime is a time where I have a lot of birthdays that come up. I have tons of family members who have birthdays in the spring. I also have tons of friends who have birthdays in the spring. And so I'm usually looking for some new ideas for gifts. As April approached, I had one friend who was having a birthday. Now, she has been dealing with Lyme's disease for quite a long time now, and I was trying to find something that would be just an encouragement to her that she could use to just encourage her. And I racked my brain. I went on Pinterest. I was looking for so many ideas. And then out of the blue, I began to put some things together that I had. And I came up with this idea for redoing a picture frame, and I hope you like it.
So starting off, I needed a frame, and so I went to the thrift store and I picked up this frame. I love the design of the kind of roped look on the front, and I started painting it with chalk paint. Now the chalk paint that I buy is normally from Michael's. I do use a variety of different kinds. I love chalk paint. You don't have to prep the material that you are painting, and you can just paint away and cover whatever you need to up. So I started in painting. It took 3 coats to cover the frame, and as you're covering each coat, you want to start really working down into each of the crevices. This frame had quite a few grooves, and I wanted to make sure I got all of the grooves with the paint. I didn't want any gold sticking through. After I was done painting, I took a wax and just covered the frame, made sure I got each and every crevice, just wanted to get it thoroughly covered so that it all was sealed. So now it's time to put the frame together. I had a variety of sayings that I wanted to put in it. I get a book from Michael's that has all these in it, and you can just pull out what you want, and you've got a nice picture frame with some sayings in them.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. For those of you who are new to this channel and would like to subscribe, there is a red subscribe button down below. You may hit that. If you would like to be notified every single time that I upload a video, you can hit the little bell down there as well. If not, you won't receive updates as to every video that I post. So you can hit that if you would like. But for those of you who would like to comment, leave a comment down below and let me know of some other gift ideas, because I'm always looking for some. If you have a Pinterest idea that you found that is really easy to do, I am always looking for those. I'm always on Pinterest for everything. I don't know if you are too, but it's kind of like my go-to place. But I hope you have a wonderful day and that you are enjoying the spring weather near you. We don't have spring here yet. We just got snow the other day and lots of ice. And so we are hoping it thaws before the next week. We have a lot going on that needs to be done outside next week, and so hopefully it will melt by then. But if not, we will make do with what we have. And so I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you next time. Bye.